Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to yet another exciting lesson. In today's lesson, we'll be solving a practical age problem. Right, so let's quickly delve into this problem. Okay, so this is a practical age problem and it reads as follows. Jorge Sanchez finally met his cousin Hernandez Santa Cruz at their uncle's birthday party in Los Angeles, California. Their uncle quickly recalled that based on their present ages of Jorge Sanchez and Hernandez Santa Cruz is 2:9. 4 years ago, the sum of the ages of Jorge and Hernandez Santa Cruz was 47 years. How old is Hernandez Santa Cruz now? Right. So this is a practical age problem. And in age problems, the first and foremost thing you have to do is to form an equation from the age problem by identifying the key details in the problem. Right, so let's quickly solve this practical age problem. Right, let A represent the age of Jorge Sanchez and B represents the age of Hernandez Santa Cruz. Okay, right, so let's continue. So therefore the ratio of their present ages, so it's a ratio, right, would be A is to B equals 2:9. So with ratio, we are going to get A divided by B equals 2 divided by 9. Right. So let's make the subject of the equation and identify it as the first equation. So the equation A divided by B equals 2 divided by 9, which was formed from the ratio of the ages of the two cousins. Right, so to make A the subject, or to make the age of Jorge Sanchez the subject, right, we multiply each side by B. Okay, so A divided by B, which equals 2/9, multiplying B. So A over B times B equals 2/9 times B. So A over B times B will give us A times B over B. So B will cancel B out. So B will cancel B out, leaving A. And 2 divided by 9 times B would give us the equation 2/9B. Right. So therefore, the first equation is equal to A equals 2/9B, which forms equation 1. So the ages of Jorge Sanchez and Hernandez Santa Cruz 4 years ago would be, Jorge Sanchez age 4 years ago would be A minus 4. Hernandez Santa Cruz age 4 years ago would be B minus 4. Right. Therefore, put equation 1 into the equation of the sum ages of the two cousins and equate it to 47 to form a new equation. So the sum of the ages, which is A minus 4 representing Jorge Sanchez's age, plus B minus 4 representing Hernandez Santa Cruz's age, equals 47. So A minus 4 plus B minus 4 equals 47, right? So you form like terms. So alphabet will be grouped to one side, then numbers will be grouped to the other side. So A plus B, which is an alphabet, minus 4 minus 4, which is a number. So A plus B minus 4 minus 4 equals 47, right? So A plus B minus 4 minus 4. So whenever you have two negative numbers, which is negative 4, negative 4, right? In order to solve issues like this, first bring a negative sign and add the two numbers. So there's this saying, negative plus negative gives you positive. So negative negative gives you positive, and that is the reason why we added the 4 and this 4 too. So so add the numbers, then bring an equation or a negative number in front of it. You are going to get A plus B minus 8 equals 47. Okay, negative 4 minus negative 4, you add the 4 and you bring a negative sign in front of it. So A plus B will give you minus 8, which equates to 47. So A plus B is equal to 47 plus 8. So moving forward, we would group like terms. So alphabet will be at one side, numbers will be at the other side. Okay, so A plus B would equate to 47 plus 8, because this 8 is a negative 8 and it will cross this equation sign. So whenever a negative number or any number crosses an equal to sign, it changes its form, right? So this is a negative 8. It will change its form to become a positive 8 when it crosses. So A plus B equals 47 plus 8. Now A plus B equals 47 plus 8, which is 55. So A plus B therefore is equal to 55. So now you put equation 1, okay, back into equation 2, the newly formed equation 2. Okay, right. So now we put equation 1 into equation 2. So equation 2, which is A plus B equals 55. And if you could record back to the first equation, which is equation 1, which represents 2 over 9b, right? So A is equation 1, and equation 1 is 2 over 9b. So 2 over 9b, which represents A, equation 1, plus B equals 55. Okay, right. So you multiply each side, every side, by 9. So 2 over 9b multiplying 9 plus 9 times b equals 55 times 9. Okay, so the 9 here, 2 over 9b, the 9 here would cancel out the 9 it is multiplying itself by to get 2b. Okay, then plus 9 times b, 9 times b will give you 9b, and 55 times 9. So 55 times 9 will give you 495, right? So now we form an equation, 2b plus 9b equals 495, right? So 2b and 9b are like terms, right? So there's b here, there's b here, there's a number here, there's a number here. So 2b plus 9b will give you 11b, which equates to 495. Okay, so 11b is equal to 495, right? So in order to get b, we must first divide each side by 11. So 11b divided by 11 equals 495 divided by 11. So 11 will cancel out 11, leaving the answer as b. equating to 495 divided by 11. So 495 divided by 11 is 45. Therefore, our B, or the age of Hernandez Santa Cruz, is 45 years old. Okay, so therefore Hernandez Santa Cruz is currently 45 years old. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.